bem-vindos à Futurecom 2022. Estou no stand da ITGLOBAL.com com Oleg Sergeyev. Did I say correctly your name?
No, unfortunately no. Oleg Arseniev, ITGLOBAL.com, yes. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Thank you for this interview, and we are really very happy to be here in Brazil. Aquí estamos ayudando a los ESPs en aumentar sus recetas, mejorando el tráfico, optimizando el tráfico.
That's pretty good. Is it your first time at Futurecom?
Yes. It's the first time in Futurecom, so we are quite a young group of companies. We are entering into Latin American market this year, so that's why for us it's really very important to be in these kind of events, because Brazil it's a very big market. Since we are focusing in IT, in telecommunications, this market is really very promising for us.
And what are you showcasing at Futurecom?
Well, the group of companies itself provides different services, so we are focusing in cloud solutions like private cloud, public cloud. Also, we have internal development, and for example, here together with VAS Experts. VAS Experts is the company, a member of IT Global Group. We promote Stingray Service Gateway. It's a special software solution that includes different important features for any internet service providers, like BNG, like CGNet, like DPI for like quality of service, quality of experience, in one complete solution that helps to the ISPs to optimize the usage of their traffic, to increase their revenues, and also to make better the quality of service to the customers. So, and since the Brazilian market is really very growing in terms of internet, especially in this post-COVID era when we have many people working from homes, the impact of internet service quality is very important. That is why we hope that our solution will help to ISPs to give better service and also to improve their commercial situation, and also finally everybody will be happy, because it's really very powerful thing, and it's one of the products that we develop inside the group of companies. Also, we have in other products, we for example have ITSM, ESM platform, simple one. Also, we have our own virtualization platform, vStack. It's like special solution for virtualization of infrastructure. That also can be interesting for everybody who is looking for alternative solutions in virtualization, because we know industry leaders, but we created hyper-converged platform with a really very accessible cost and really very high performance that is actually proven already by thousands of customers that we are having all over the world.
And you mentioned the ISPs and the pandemic, and in Brazil at least, they were really important to maintain the internet operating. And you said about the cloud journey. What are your expectations for the new future of this ISPs market? So what do you see them willing to buy and betting the next phase of the internet?
Well, you see, we are now have instant growth of the traffic because many people now use a lot of internet, and this COVID pandemic actually gave also high impulse for this. And from the other side, we now see the 5G technology that also coming in many countries, and we're already testing in different countries this. And also it is like a challenge for ISPs, because they need to maintain different type of customers, different type of services within the same last mile solution that they are having. That is why we see that probably the ISPs that can implement this advanced technologies, these new solutions, they will be able to survive and probably to get more market. Because historically in Brazil there are a lot of ISPs, small ISPs, medium ISPs.
8,000, I guess.
Yes, yes, and in all their markets, usually you have the process when they start do some merge and acquisition, and finally you have limited number of ISPs, and we are happy to enter to the market in the moment when these ISPs can get the benefit from our solutions that will help them to grow and to make these acquisitions and not be in bad position and finally purchased by somebody who is bigger. So that's actually the key feature, the killing feature I expect that we can provide to these ISPs, helping with optimization of traffic optimization.
Yes, we are seeing a lot of M&A transaction in ISP's market in the past few years. Do you think this is one of the challenge of this market? And how do you see Futurecom could help your company and those ISPs to manage everything, maybe showcasing more solutions and the key pillar of it?
Well, you see, the idea of such events, and in Futurecom in particular, probably is just to meet, to share experience, because we really have very interesting experience in different countries. So we have implementations in Europe, we have implementations in Africa, in Latin America, in Asia, in Middle East. So we can show the cases how the operators, for example, maintaining the same operation cost, increase the revenue, even making the customer perception of the service better. So that's like a tricky thing. So from one perspective, you earn more, you spend less, but the customer is more happy. So this kind of solution of tuning of your traffic can help the ISPs to give better service. As far as I know, these small ISPs or medium ISPs, sometimes they do not know about these solutions, or sometimes these solutions are too far. It's difficult to talk to the.
They're not for them.
Yes, but in reality, for example, we have here this small device. So the cost of this device is really very accessible. It's about $1,000. Their ISP can purchase small license to start step by step their optimization of its traffic. For example, for 1 gigabit, it will be enough. And but the benefits that it can get, it's really very interesting and attractive. That's why I think so. The idea is to meet to these ISPs, to show them, to share experience, and maybe then to establish more more specific contact with some demonstrations, presentations, projects of proof of concept, etc., etc. So that's the idea why we're here, because we think that this market is interesting for us, and also the product can be interesting for the ISPs locally.
Thank you very much for talking to me, and have good luck with the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your words. I hope that everything will be good. I think the event is great. Thank you very much for organizing all this. And also I want to say good luck to all the ISPs in Brazil and in Latin America. Thank you very much.
Thank you.